I'm Milin Patil. Today on 30 July, I am going to discuss about the topic HashMap and tree map in Java. So, first of all, what is HashMap? HashMap in Java is a part of Java's collection framework since Java 1.2 version. This class is found in java.utl.package. Okay, it provides the basic implementation of map interface in Java. It stores the data in form of key and value pairs, and you can access them by an index of another type, example integer. So suppose the key is index to another object value. If you try to insert the duplicate element into the hash map, it will replace the element of the corresponding key. Means if we have the key, take an example. If you have a key India as a 91 and the value as a India, sorry, key as 91 and value as India, and if we try to insert the key 91 again and with the value new India, then the HMAP will update that pair as key 91 value new India. Okay, so means it will take duplicate element, but it will replace on that value. Okay, so now the hash map is similar to hash table, but it is unsynchronized type. It allows to store the null keys as well, but there should be only one null keys object, and there can be no there uh, can to any number of null values. Okay, this class makes no guarantees as the order of the map. To use this class, we have to import java.utl.hashtag package or its superclass. Okay, directly can't be. Now the parameters of hashmap. Hashmap have mainly two parameters. First one is the type of keys maintained by this hashmap, and second one is the type of mapped values into it. Now the constructor in HashMap. There are mainly four constructor in HashMap. First one is HashMap, which default constructor. Second one is HashMap, which receive, which pass, or which have the parameter initial capacity. Third one is HashMap, which have the two parameters. First one is initial capacity, and second one is load factor. Load factor, and fourth one is HashMap, which have hmm, the one parameter has the map. So first one we have to discuss, that is a hashmap default constructor. It is the default constructor which is creates an instance of hashmap with initial uh, capacity of 16 and the load factor of 0.75. Okay, second one is hash map with initial capacity. So it creates an hash map with specific initial capacity and load factor of 0.75. The third one is hash map with initial capacity and the float load. It creates a hash map instance with a specific initial capacity and the specific initial load. So. It is also very important type of the constructor into the hash map. Now the last one, which is a hash map, which receive the map of a map as a parameter. uh, it creates an instance hash map with some mappings on specific maps. So it's all about the hash map, how it works, and where it works, which type of the values it take as the parameters, and also the constructors, difference constructor into the hash map. Now we have to go to the next topic, that is the tree mapping. So What is a tree map in Java? The tree map in Java is used to implement the map interface and negotiable map along with the abstract map class. The maps is sort according to the natural ordering of the key or by the comparator provided at the map creation time, dependent on which type of constraint is used. A constructor is used. This proved to be an efficient way of sorting and sharing the key value pairs. Now the storing is maintained by the tree map must be consistent with equal just like any other sorted map, irrespective of the explicit comparators. Now the variable operations on tree map. First one is adding element. In order to add an element to the tree map, we can use the put method. However, the insertion order is not written in the tree map internally. For every element, the keys are compared and sorted in the ascending order. So suppose, take an example. We pass the keys as a 91 and pass the value with it the India. Secondly, we pass the key with 94 with the value of US. Third one, we pass the value of 93 with the value of Pakistan. So it should be comes at the value if we pass that on in the uh, uh, in we judge that the values must be comes at to the key as a 91, 93, 90, 91, 94 and 93, but it doesn't happen. It will sorted automatically as the 91 India and 93 which we pass the values and 94 with US automatically. Okay, now the second one operation in the tree map which is also very important is the changing element. After adding the element, if we wish to change the element, it can be done by again adding the element with the put method. Since the element in the tree map indexes using key, the values of the key can be changed uh, by simply inserting the updated value of the key for which we wish to change. So suppose our hash map have 91 values India and also it have the 91 values New India. So the latest value which key which we have added is so its value is changed into our tree map. Okay, means our tree map have the output as a 91 New India because the 91 New India is the latest value into it. Now the next one is removing element. In order to remove an element from the hash map, from the tree map, we can simply use the remove method into it. For one is iteration through the tree map. There are multiple ways to iterate through the tree map. The first one is the for loop. We can use the for loop directly to iterate through the tree map. So it is also very important in as per our view. Now so it's mm, uh, a tree map is basically used to store the data in the sorted form. If we add the data, it is not sequentially added. It is automatically sorted into it, and it is added as sorted. Um because it is added into the tree form means our data is added as its order so it gets also into the order. So it is all about the tree map, how it works, how the sorting is done into the tree map, the various methods in the tree map like adding element, changing element, iterating through tree map, removing the element from it. So uh, it's all about the tree map, and today's session of the tree map and hash map is all about it. Okay, thank you, sir. The tree map is also same as important as the hash map at the different type of for the different type of applications in Java. Okay.